Hello everybody and welcome to my session, Building Geo-distributed APIs with Azure Functions. My name is Anton Boyko. I'm a Microsoft Regional Director and Microsoft Azure MVP. What is worth mentioning is that I don't work for Microsoft, those are the titles, basically the awards, and Microsoft recognizes me for my contributions into the community. You can also see my email here, so if you will have any questions about this session in particular, feel free to drop me an email and I will try to answer those. So, saying that, let's basically jump to the topic. And if we're talking about geo-distributed APIs, then you may actually ask yourself, so why do I need those geo-distributed APIs in the first place? So what is the purpose behind that? And I can always talk about recovery from disaster, for example, about high availability and about how it actually brings more performance into your app. But today, I want to make it a bit different. Today, I want to tell you the story. And as every good story, it starts with once upon a time. So what was actually happening once upon a time? Once upon a time, I was doing my groceries. And you may ask yourself, so we are in the middle of the IT conference and why this guy is talking about his groceries? So the idea here is that as a manufacturer, you're actually limited by the physical dimensions, basically, of your packages. And the idea here that, for example, I have a pasta and I want to buy it, but I don't know how to cook it. So probably as a manufacturer, again, as a seller, you want to explain me basically that I need to do this and that. And also you may want to explain me that, this pasta actually tastes better if you also buy one of these sauces or something like that. So how you can actually do that if you are limited by that physical dimension and that physical size of the package? Let me try to explain and show you how it was implemented with this particular brand. So I will grab my phone here and I will grab one of those packages. What I will do now, I will open basically my camera, I will open the QR code scanner, and as you can see here right near the barcode, I have a QR code. And if I will scan it, I will be automatically redirected basically to the website when I can get all the information about this product. So this is actually the big idea behind this one. So as a manufacturer, I may, for example, produce those items, basically those products somewhere here in Ukraine, but then I may ship them worldwide. And what I want to have basically a single entry point which will be globally distributed, and I want to identify each and every product by unique SKU number. And then, for example, when someone in the other country, in, I don't know, UK, Poland, Norway, US, Brazil, whatever, will basically scan the same QR code, I want to get the IP address of that person, and what I also want to do there, I want to basically, based on that IP address, determine to which country it belongs to, and then redirect this user to the local website with the local recipes and some information about these products which is relevant to this user and to this region. And during this session, I will basically show you how we implemented that in one of the projects I was working on and what we learned during the implementation. Before we proceed further, let me highlight a few important points here. So first of all, this is definitely not an advertisement of this particular Ukrainian brand. Second, all the details that I will share with you today about the implementation, they are not based on this particular brand as well. To be honest, I don't even know how the guys actually implemented that in the first place. Recently, I was working on one of the projects basically related to the similar company of the similar nature who works globally, literally in each and every country worldwide, and we were basically implementing the same approach for their products. I was using this local Ukrainian brand, first of all, because I'm really proud that here in Ukraine we have our own companies that are basically utilizing the same approach, and they are also willing to enrich the end user experience. And second, unfortunately, I'm under NDA, so I cannot share the name of that original company I was working for.